0.1 times 10. To multiply this, what you will do? 0.1 times 10 means you are adding 0.1 10 times. That is the value or number, this number will be increased, right? So this 10 is a number which is power of 10. 10 to the power 1 means 10, right? 10 to the power 2 means 100. So this is a power of 10. So if you want to multiply this factor by a power of 10, so just count the number of 0. So 1 0, so decimal point will move one digit to the right, that is here. 1 decimal means 1. Your answer is 1. Look, the value of this number has increased. You are adding 0.1 10 times, which is 1.